Hello friends, welcome back to another video. That is the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrencies. So before starting this video, I would like to say something about my channel. So let's see the live price prediction. As you can see now, the subscriber rate. No one can subscribe my channel. Please kindly subscribe now on my channel. As you can see now on the screen, no one 93.8% people are not subscribing my channel, and only 6.2% people are subscribed now. So please click the subscribe button right now. Thank you so much and kindly support us. Let's see the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrencies. So that is the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrencies last 1 hour result you are watching now. Oh my god, it's going wrong. As you can see now on the screen, the change is very bad. Negative 2.52% are the change of Cardano cryptocurrencies, and the high change is dollar 1.11 is the high change of Cardano cryptocurrencies. The current price of Cardano cryptocurrencies is dollar 1.08, and the Bitcoin is 0.0002 is the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrencies, and that is the live price however you are watching now. So let's see the Cardano cryptocurrency graph. As you can see here, after this and this last hour they are falls down. As you can see here, that is the live price prediction of last 1 hour, and at the start of this hour they are falls down. As you can see here, falls down. The dumping of the Cardano cryptocurrencies are starts now. At this point they are little jumping, but after some time interval they again a dumping of Cardano cryptocurrencies are start now. So what you said, that is buying time of Cardano cryptocurrencies, that is a good time to buy a Cardano cryptocurrencies. What you say, share your opinion in the comment box please, and please, as you can see now on the screen of my channel, as you can see now, no one can subscribe my channel. As you can see here, please click the subscribe button right now, and thank you so much for subscribing our channel. Thank you so much.